Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to text somebody on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Craigslist.org website right here and log into your account if you haven't already. If you do not know how to log into your account guys, you can go ahead and click the account button right here in the upper right corner, and after clicking on account you can go ahead and either sign up for a new account if you do not have one already or log into an existing one. So after logging in guys, then you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Craigslist, where you can see all the products for items that you can see, that you can buy, and all the categories right here and so on. And now guys, let's go ahead and see how to text somebody. So the first thing we have to do is go ahead and find an ad that we want to reply to and the person we want to text. So let's go ahead and open up one of the categories. Let's say I want to text this person right here that is selling this plant. So let's go ahead and open up the ad right here guys. You can see here are the plants, and now let's go ahead and see how to text them. And all you have to do guys is to just go ahead and click on the reply button right here at the top of the name of the ad. As you can see, here is the reply button. Click on that guys and you will have to just confirm and complete this captcha right here that is going to appear. So as you can see, I have to select airplanes, click verify, and now this will open up this new menu where you can go ahead and select the way to contact them. As you can see, here is the email in this menu. Sometimes they will only have their email and sometimes they will also have their number. As you can see, their number is not right here, so you cannot text them, but if they have approved their number to be right here, you will be able to see it and text them. But for now guys, we can only contact this person using email. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.